the can, selling ShopRite brand of vegetables and cans. For quality that you can trust, for tasty corn asparagus, for peas and beans at gourmet scenes, for beef that beat all other treats. The only vegetables that can compare at all with ShopRite brand are vegetables you feed yourself instead of taking off our shelf. Now's the time to shop at ShopRite Can Blast. Now's the time to stock up while the values last.
Stock up on ShopRite soda, 10 12-ounce cans for 79 cents.
Potatoes that will make the meal, and carrots that have big appeal. Succotash that makes a splash, spinach that won't finish last. Now's the time to ask yourself, so why pay more? Now's